Hi, I'm Terry Crouppen, and I want to welcome you to Brown & Crouppen. First of all, let me tell you a little about Brown & Crouppen. Today, after several years of steady growth, we're a law firm of almost 50 people who come to work for one reason, and that's to help you. Our main offices take up a whole floor of the Laclede Gas Building in downtown St. Louis. Plus, we have satellite offices all over the metropolitan area. Our offices are filled with all sorts of high-tech equipment, from computers to high-speed word processors and printers, all of it to do one thing, to serve you better. Today we feel we're just about the right size, big enough to have the legal and financial resources to fight the big insurance companies, but small enough to be able to treat all our clients as people, as individuals, as friends. But before I go any further, I'd like to introduce a man who's been my partner for almost 15 years, but more importantly, my friend, Ron Brown.
Hi folks, I'm Ron Brown. I'm the Brown & Brown & Crouppen. Terry and I are proud that our names have become associated with quality legal services in the metropolitan St. Louis area for years. I welcome you to Brown & Crouppen, and I'm honored you chose us to be your lawyers. Well, I'll let Terry continue. I hope to meet you in person real soon.
Thanks, Ron. Okay, folks, now let's talk about what brought you here to Brown & Crouppen, your workers' compensation injury. First of all, let me give you a brief idea of how your case will proceed from here. Today, a legal assistant will interview you to get all the information we need to file your claim with the Division of Workers' Compensation. After the Division of Workers' Compensation receives your claim, you'll get letters of acknowledgement and then a formal answer to your claim from the opposing side. By the way, they always deny all the claims at first. Don't let that bother you. It's normal. And don't worry. We get copies of these letters when you do, and we'll take care of them. You don't have to call us when you get them. Usually the next phase of your case is the medical treatment phase. We can't settle your case until you're all through with your medical treatment. Remember, in workers' comp, you must let the workers' comp doctor know what's hurting you. If you don't, you only cheat yourself out of medical treatment you need and deserve. Also, it's important for you to tell us immediately if you go to any new doctors, hospitals, or physical therapists after today. Please let us know when the company doctor has finally released you from treatment, when he has said he can do nothing more for you. Often, we're not aware of the end of treatment until you tell us, and if you fail to do so, it'll needlessly delay your case. When you notify us that your medical treatment is finished, in most cases, we'll schedule an appointment with one of our doctors, a doctor who we believe will be more fair in evaluating the seriousness of your injury than the doctors paid by the insurance companies. Once we have the disability ratings exams from both the insurance company and our doctors, we will request a hearing date to try to settle your claim as fast as possible. Usually this process takes anywhere from 10 to 15 months, but I assure you we will do everything to get you the settlement you deserve as fast as possible. While we work in your case, if you have any questions, please contact your legal assistant, whose card will be in the blue folder you'll receive today. On a day-to-day basis, your legal assistant will know as much about your case as your lawyer. You see, we try to keep our lawyers in court as much as we can. Of course, if your legal assistant can't help, your lawyer can be available to help when you need it. Also, remember, Ron and I back up all our attorneys and legal assistants, so in the rare case that you need us, we're here to help as well. I want you to know that your legal team is very experienced in handling cases just like yours. Your legal team has been instructed to bother you as little as they have to. Our goal is to work in the background as much as possible, so don't be upset if you don't hear from us. It just means that your case is proceeding normally, with no problems, and we just didn't want to bother you. Remember, you don't need to call us to check on your case. Just sit back, get yourself feeling better, and leave everything to us. It's our job. We'll take care of you, I promise. Oh, and please, let us know if you ever change phone numbers or addresses. We have cases today in the office where we have money offered to people who we can't find because they moved and didn't tell us. Don't let this happen to you. Well, since you're now going to be a part of our Brown & Crouppen family, let me briefly tell you about the other services we can help you with either now or in the future. Our law firm handles all types of injury cases, from car accident injuries to injuries caused by defectively made products, chemicals, or drugs. Our lawyers work for people hurt in falls, people hurt working on railroads and on the rivers. For years, our lawyers have helped children and adults injured by medical malpractice or by carelessness of doctors and hospitals. If you or someone you care about has ever hurt because of someone else's carelessness. We're here now and always will be to do everything in our power to stand next to you to give you the help you need. We also have a full department of professionals to help you with bankruptcy and debt relief problems. Well, I've talked too long as usual. I want to say again, welcome to Brown & Crouppen. I know many of you come in hurt, and I hope you have a quick recovery and feel better. Remember, you're now surrounded by men and women who are dedicated to helping you. You are welcome guests. Goodbye, and take care.